here at the beautiful Charlie's Pasture. We're going to do a nice relaxing yoga today, some good stretching. We're going to do a little Pilates in there, so we're going to work our glutes, our legs, our abdominal muscles. So we got like a whole bunch going on today, but it's still going to be nice and relaxing. So when you're ready, make sure you have ample space. Remember, your safety is in your control, so please pay attention to your body. Go ahead, we're going to start seated. So once you find a nice, comfortable place to do your yoga, join me in a nice seated position. Remember, if this isn't very nice for you, you can put a block or a pillow, something under your bum. Extend your legs out front, or just laying in a shavasana or a corpse pose, laying on your back. Whatever is good for your body, that's where you should be. So when you're ready, nice, comfortable, seated position, one leg in front of the other, both seat bones on the ground, pressing into the ground through your legs, your ankles, your bum. Sitting nice and tall, reaching through the crown of your head, up, up, up. I have my hands resting nice and easy on my knees. My shoulders are down and back. Breathing nice and easy. Here we go. Deep inhale as we bring the arms up. Palms coming together. And exhale, pressing them down. Again, inhale through your nose. Nice, full, deep breath as we bring the palms together. And then exhale through your mouth as you push the energy down with your palms all the way back to the earth. Inhale, coming up. And exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. Good. Now we're going to open the arms. So you're going to open them out to the side, reaching to the side, opening that chest, shoulders pressing down and back, reaching with the chin forward. Inhale here. And then exhale, curving that spine, hugging your shoulders. Remember, it's fabulous to find a little movement, stretching, a little vinyasa, whatever feels good for your body. Here we go again. Inhale, open wide. It's okay if you arch your back just a little, pushing that chest forward. We're stretching that open chest. Exhale, curving the thoracic spine the opposite direction, hugging your shoulders. Let all the air out. Again, inhale. And exhale. One more deep inhale. And exhale. Good. Go ahead. Find a little motion, little half circles to the front with your head and even with your full upper body, as long as this is comfortable for you. Good. We're going to add a little arm to this motion. So as we swing and come over to the right side, I'm pressing my right palm into the ground, reaching with my left hand, and then coming back down to the center, bringing my left hand over to my left side, reaching with the right arm. We're going to follow the breath here. Inhale, right palm down, reaching with the left hand, and exhale, bringing the left palm to the ground, reaching with the right arm. And inhale, right palm down, reaching with the left hand. And exhale, bringing the left palm down, reaching with the right. Now, I'm going to turn to the side. We're going to continue this motion. I just want to make sure that as we're doing this, as you come, pressing your right hand into the ground, reaching with that left hand, try to get your shoulders one on top of the other, pressing forward with that chest, engaging those abdominal muscles as we reach to the side here. And then we curve down. And then pressing the left hand into the ground, I bring my right arm up, bringing my right shoulder on top of the left shoulder, reaching here with my abdominals and rib cage engaged. Here we go. Continuing here, let's inhale as we stretch to the right. And exhale as we're curving that spine, coming to the left. And inhale here, stretching with the right arm. And exhale. And inhale, reaching with the left arm. Shoulders on top of each other. Exhale, curve. Inhale, reaching with the right arm, right shoulder on top of the left shoulder. Exhale. One more set. Inhale here. Reaching long through that body, that side body. Exhale. And inhale here. Good. Exhale. Coming center, rolling up nice and slow. Awesome. Roll those shoulders around just a little bit. And reverse. All right. When you're ready, bringing your legs to one side. We're coming into a nice, easy child's pose. Again, if it's not so nice and easy for you, that's okay. It isn't for a lot of people. Find a blanket or something to put under your knees. You can find a pillow or a bolster or a block to put underneath your bum. Or if you don't have any of those things, a rolled up towel works great. Or you can just leave your butt up in the air, all right? Find a puppy pose or a tabletop, whatever is good for your body. So I'm bringing my big toes together and my knees apart. But you can find your child's pose wherever you're comfortable. Reaching forward with my hands, pressing my chest and my navel towards the earth. Breathing here, deep inhale. And exhale. Letting that body relax. Deep inhale. And exhale. One more full breath here. And exhale. Good. Go ahead and find a little movement. Stretching out those arms, whatever feels good for your body. And then let's go ahead. Bending at the elbows, bring the palms together in a prayer position. Bringing that prayer, those prayer hands to the base of your skull here. Breathing here as long as that's comfortable for you. Deep inhale. And exhale. Letting the shoulders press down towards the ground. Inhale. And exhale. One more full breath, as long as it's in your practice. Good. When you're ready, releasing those arms. Coming to a tabletop, nice and slow. Again, find some movement, whatever feels good for your body. So coming onto our hands and knees or a tabletop position, we want the tops of the feet pressing into the mat, our hips over our knees, knees about hips width apart, shoulders over our hands, all 10 fingers and all 10 toes pressing into the ground, establishing our foundation. We're going to take a little cat-cow breathing here. So I'm going to tell you, struggling with my words at the moment, I'm going to talk about the breath. You find your cat or cow, whether you want to inhale on your cat with the head reaching towards the ground, the top of the spine reaching up towards the sky, or your cow, shoulders down and back, reaching forward with the chin and nose through the crown of the head, shoulders coming back, the navel and chest coming down. And again, find a little movement in that. Here we go. Deep inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. Last one, deep inhale. And exhale. Good. Again, find some movement in your body, whatever feels good. Big circles. All right, when you're ready, we're bringing the feet back towards the back of the mat, reaching the hands forward, coming into our puppy pose. So the hips are over the knees, bringing the chest down to the mat. Breathing here. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more full breath here, as long as it's in your practice. Very nice. When you're ready, finding the weight of your body in your palms again, we're going to thread the needle. So I'm going to do my left arm first, so I can come forward towards the camera so you can see. So on my inhale, I'm lifting my left arm, but you don't have to find a full extended arm stretch here. You can even just bring that elbow up. Here we go. Inhale. And exhale, threading the needle, bringing the left arm through, pressing the top of the hand into the ground. You can either leave your right palm here, pressing into the ground, or reaching forward with those fingers. Make sure you focus on your hips. Make sure you're not sinking to the side where your arm went. Find your good shoulder stretch. Breathing here. Nice, full, deep breaths. Very nice. When you're ready, finding the weight of your body in your right palm, pushing up, lifting that left arm up, and bringing the left palm back down to the mat. Again, find a little movement. Here we go. Now the right arm. Bringing that right arm up, either full extension or just the elbow coming up. Inhale here. And exhale, threading the needle, bringing the top of the right hand into the ground, pressing either the left palm here into the ground to help support your body, or reaching those fingers out long. Focus on your hips, make sure they're in line. Deep inhale here. And exhale. Every place where your body's touching the ground, we're pressing in, establishing our foundation. taking full deep breaths. Remember, whenever you're done in a pose, just ease yourself out. And if we're not done yet, you can just wait in a comfortable position until you're ready to join us again. When you're ready, pressing the weight of your body into your left palm, bringing that right arm up to stretch and bringing it back down to your tabletop. Good, moving it around. Finding some good movement there. And then coming back to our tabletop position, find your alignment. Take the time. Make sure your shoulders are over your hands, your hips are over your knees. We're going to do an extended balancing tabletop here, and we're going to alternate. So first, we're going to extend that left leg back to the ball of the foot. At the same time, if this is in your practice, bringing the right fingertips to the front. On our inhale, we're going to lift. Either one, just the leg, or just the arm, or both, whatever's in your practice. Inhale here. Strong, active hands, active feet, active legs, active arms. Exhale, bring it down. Back to your tabletop. Good job. Now we're going to do the other side. So now extending the right leg back to the ball of the foot. Left fingertips coming forward. Find that pose. And again, if this is your pose, that's fabulous. When you're ready, on our inhale, lifting one limb or both at the same time. Inhale. Active, strong bodies. And exhale, bringing it back to your tabletop. Good. All right, so we're going to do this. We're going to alternate. We'll do one side and then the other, along with our breath. So when you're ready, from your tabletop, extending that left leg out and that right arm front. Here we go. Inhale, lift. Hold for your exhale. Check your body, check your alignment. Inhale here. And bring it back on your exhale. Good. Other side. Right leg, left fingers. Here we go. Inhale, lift. And exhale here. Check your body. Make sure everything is active. Reaching. Inhale. And exhale, coming down. Good. Switch again. Here we go. Left leg extended, right arm. And inhale, lift. Exhale. Again, inhale. Reaching, reaching, reaching. Strong, active body. Exhale, bring it down. Other side. Here we go. Extending the right leg, left arm. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Again, inhale. Strong, active body. And exhale, bring it down. Good. Find a little movement, some big circles. Work out those wrists if you need to. Remember, yoga is yours. Find your stretch. Find what feels good to you. And when you're ready, tucking those toes, meet me in your downward facing dog. Take it nice and slow. Walk it out. Find your pose. Remember, tailbone reaching for the sky. Bend those knees. Lift those heels if you need to. Engaging those abdominals and that rib cage here. Hands in line with the feet. Breathing here. Deep inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. All right, from here, we're gonna do some leg extensions. So on our inhale, when you find your pose, you might need to bring that left foot in just a little bit. It's all right to adjust as we go. Inhale, we're gonna extend that right leg. Now, it doesn't have to go high. It can be wherever your leg feels comfortable. But we extend on our inhale. On our exhale, we're gonna bend and curl that leg back in. Walk it out. And get ready for the left foot. Left leg, here we go. Inhale, extend the left leg. And exhale, bend and let it fall down to the ground. A nice controlled fall. All right, active bodies, find your downward facing dog. We're going for the right leg again. Here we go. Inhale, right leg. And exhale, bring it down. Walk it out. When you're ready, inhale, left leg. And exhale, bring it down. Walk it out. Very good. One more set. Here we go. Find your pose. And inhale, right leg. And bring it down. Exhale. Walk it out. Find your pose. Here we go. Inhale, left leg. Exhale. Bring it down. Walk it out. Good. Find your downward facing dog. Find that pose. Bend those knees, lift those heels, whatever you need to do. And inhale, looking at your hands. Exhale, walking, stepping, jumping the feet forward. Now in our forward fold. I know we've been upside down for a little while. If that's not good for you, go ahead. Take a seat, relax for just a moment. We'll be standing in just a little while, but then we're gonna be upside down again. But it's actually fabulous. It's just like if you were hanging by your ankles in an inversion table. It's great for wrinkles, blood flow. All right, when you're ready, finding your forward fold. Bend those knees if you need to. If you can't reach the ground, find your hands on your shins or resting easy on your thighs. Again, whatever is comfortable for your body, that's where you should be. Deep inhale here. And exhale. Good. Now on our inhale, we're gonna roll through our spine, extending through that spine to have a nice flat back, extended spine here. And on our exhale, we're gonna bend and release. Relaxing, ragdoll. Here we go, deep inhale. Curving through that spine to our extended tabletop. And exhale, bend. Relax, ragdoll. Again, find a little movement if that's comfortable for you. Here we go. Inhale. Curving through that spine, shoulders down and back. Reaching long through that back. Exhale, bend, ragdoll. One more. Here we go. Inhale, curving and extending. Reaching long through that spine. Exhale, bending those knees generously. Ragdoll. If you want, bring your hands up. One hand holding the other elbow. Relaxing here with bent knees. Breathing. Inhale. And exhale. Deep inhale. And exhale. Again, if you're ready to come up, go ahead and come up. Nice and slow, rolling up through your spine. If you're good with me here, I'm extending my legs, stretching one and then the other, moving my body from side to side, nice and gentle with my breath. Here we go. Bending those knees generously, releasing the arms, rolling up. Nice and slow. Good. Find some movement. Head from side to side. Nice and easy. Hips side to side. All right. From here, we're going to interlace our fingers as long as that's in your practice. Otherwise, if you have a little towel, a hand rag, something, a strap, you can grab that. One hand on either side. And we're going to bend the knees, pressing those shoulder blades together in the back, opening that chest. Inhale here. And exhale, curving the spine the opposite direction. One more time, squeezing the palms together, rolling those shoulders back, bringing the shoulder blades together. Inhale here, bending the knees. And exhale. Good. Now with those fingers still interlaced or holding on to that rag, we're going to bend forward into our forward fold, letting our arms fall towards the ground. Woo, finding a nice shoulder stretch here. Bend those knees slightly. Make sure you find a comfortable position. Deep inhale. My body is pressing up against, my torso, my stomach is pressing up against my thighs. Exhale. One more full breath if it's in your practice. When you're ready, releasing those arms and rolling up nice and slow. Go ahead, find a little movement. If that feels good, swaying from side to side. All right. So now we're going to practice an Tadasana or a mountain pose, a strong mountain pose. Feet under my hips, under my torso, shoulders down and back, fingertips reaching towards the ground, palms facing forward. Pressing all 10 toes into the mat. Find your strong, active Tadasana. Activate those inner thighs, those glutes, those hips, those abdominals. Inhale. And exhale. Remember, your advanced asana is whatever you want it to be. Doesn't mean crazy, contorting the body poses. Deep inhale. It's just finding that active muscle action in your full body in every pose. One more full deep breath. Good. Relax. Shake it out a little bit. Opposite hand is foot, shaking forward. We can make it a dance. All right, so finding your Tadasana again. We're going to do a little breathing. Strong, active. I want you to concentrate on your arms, your chest, your torso here. So bending those knees slightly. We're going to inhale, bringing the arms up. Palms coming up all the way to our upward salute. So our hands are in a prayer position, reaching over our head. So here, we're going to take a minute to find our pose. Go ahead and relax those legs just a little bit, bending those knees slightly. We want to extend the arms, but at the same time, still bringing those shoulders down and back. Shoulders down and back. But when you do that, you don't want to go here. You want shoulders down and back, and then engage the abdominals here, bringing that rib cage in. So you're counteracting. You're pushing forward and then pushing back. Breathing here. Inhale. And exhale, release the arms. Good. Shake it out. Opposite hand, just go. Shoulder. All right, again, find your Tadasana. Bending those knees slightly. And if you feel comfortable and confident in your full body and you want to engage those legs at the same time, that's advanced asana. Here we go. Inhale, bringing the palms up. And exhale, extending through those arms, pushing the shoulders down and back, engaging those abdominals. And inhale, reaching up. And exhale, releasing the arms. Good. We're going to do it one more time. I know if you're doing it like I'm doing it, you're feeling it all through those muscles, all through your arm right now. Arms, both of them. Okay, back in our Tadasana. Strong, active pose. And inhale, reaching the hands up. Find that upward salute. Exhale, shoulders down and back. Engaging those ribs, those abdominals. Inhale. Hold it strong. Active arms. Exhale. One more. You got this. Inhale, reaching up, up, up. You can, if you want, if it's in your practice. Bring those hands back, arching the spine. And exhale. Coming forward, bringing the hands to heart center and shake it out. Great job. Feel the power. All right. So from here, we're going to do a little chair flow. So we're still going to be using those arms, but that's good. Once you start activating and using those muscles, this is how, like when you're burning weight, trying to lose a little weight or gain that muscle, that's how you get there, is by pushing it a little further. All right, so finding your strong Tadasana at the top of your mat or in the middle if you have plenty of space. Bending those knees slightly, but make sure if they're bending right over the toes. Find that strong, active pose. And inhale, reaching up. Strong, active hands. Exhale, sitting. We're going to stay here for a minute. Find your pose. Active arms, shoulders down and back. And activating those abdominal muscles, bringing the rib cage in, finding that counter action there. Inhale here. Exhale, sit a little lower if you can. Good. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, releasing, shake it out. Good job. We're going to do that again. All right. Standing in your strong Tadasana or mountain pose. Here we go. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, sitting. Find that chair pose. Strong, active body. Inhale here. And exhale, sit a little lower if you can. And inhale, reach up. And exhale, bringing the hands down. Heart center if you like. Shake them out. All right. So we're going to do it again, but I'm going to go at least 2 times through. I might even do 3 if I don't realize what number I'm on. Here we go. Find your Tadasana. Strong, active pose. And inhale, reaching up. Exhale, sit. Full breath here. Exhale, sinking a little lower. And inhale, reach. Exhale, hands to heart center. Here we go. Inhale, reach. Exhale, sit. Good. Find that active pose. Inhale. exhale, sitting a little lower. And inhale, reach. Exhale, hands, heart center. Good, one more, you got this. Inhale, reach. Exhale, sit. Full breath here. Sink a little lower if you can. And inhale, reach. Exhale, hands, heart center. Good, shake it out. Whew. When you're ready, we're going back over for our forward fold. So find your Tadasana. Get some water if you need to. Remember, it's your yoga, so take a break whenever you need to. Join us when you're ready in a strong Tadasana or mountain pose. And inhale, reaching up. Active arms, active fingers. Exhale, forward fold. Good, walk it out. Find your pose. Inhale, extending through that spine. If you need to, find your hands on your shins or on your thighs. Bend those knees if you need to. Find that extended, flat back. Good, deep inhale. And exhale, relax. From here, we're gonna bring our right foot back. We're coming into a pyramid pose. So my feet are still hips width apart, toes both facing forward, hands, fingertips on the ground if this is in your practice. If not, you can bend that back knee a little bit. You can even bring your hands here. If that's where you are, that's fine. Find your pose. Try to keep those hips square to the front edge, the top edge of your mat. Find that extended spine here. Inhale. And exhale. And if you want, and you can curve that spine. Inhale. And exhale, pushing the chest down towards the mat, shoulders down and back. One more deep breath here. Good. Now, if you aren't there already, we're bending that right leg, bringing the chest and the torso down towards the thighs if that's in your practice. And when you're ready, extending that leg and turning towards the long edge of our mat, coming into a wide-legged stance. Both toes facing forward. Relaxing over. If this is not relaxing, again, go ahead and bring those heels in just a little bit. Bend those knees. Find a good, comfortable stretch for your body. Move those hips around. You can bend one knee and then the other. When you're ready, bringing the heels in, we're going to turn to the other side. So now I have my right foot in front, coming to my pyramid pose. So feet are about hips distance apart here in this direction. And then your stance is as wide as is comfortable for your body. Fingertips resting on the ground if that's where you are in your practice. If not, you can bring your hands here. Again, bend that back knee if you need to. Find your pose. Here we go. Breathing, inhale. And exhale. Trying to extend through that spine, but also trying to keep those hips in line with each other, square to the top edge of the mat. Here we go, adding a little curve in the spine with our breath if you'd like. Inhale. And exhale. Pressing the chest and torso towards the legs. Again, inhale. And exhale. find your stretch, whatever feels good for your body. Deep inhale. And exhale. Good. Now bending that back knee. Again, bringing the body towards the thighs, finding your stretch here. Breathing. When you're ready, again, coming to our wide-legged stance, turning our body and our toes towards the long edge of the mat, walking our feet out or in, bringing those heels in, finding your comfortable wide-legged forward fold. And breathing here. Inhale. And exhale. Again, inhale. If you'd like, extending through that spine, bringing those shoulders down and back, and exhale, relaxing forward. One more, inhale, and exhale. Good, move it around if you'd like to stretch to one side for a couple breaths. Reaching those hands out in front of that right foot. And then walking to the left side. Finding your stretch. Finding whatever feels good to your body. Finding some movement. And when you're ready, bringing those heels in. We're coming into our goddess pose. So I had to walk my feet in a little closer. My heels are in, so my feet are at about a 45-degree angle. Coming up, curving through that spine, finding my hands on my thighs, above my knees. Because this feels good to me. If it doesn't feel good to you, then come to your goddess. Find whatever feels good. If you want to press those shoulders. Stretching it out. Remember, your yoga is yours. Find your stretch. Move your body around. Find what feels good to you. Just focus on your alignment. You want to make sure that you have your body in alignment. That optimal alignment so you're not hurting yourself. Here we go, coming into our goddess pose. If you'd like, you can leave your hands on your thighs for extra support. You can bring your hands to heart center or wherever your goddess is, you find her. Breathing here, inhale. Shoulders down and back, exhale. Sink a little lower if you can. Inhale. Exhale. Remember, we're just working those legs a little further. Inhale. Good. And inhale, extending through those legs, relaxing the arms. Woo, exhale. Shake it out. Shake it out. That was a good class. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that was good for you. Whew. I can't wait till we have classes again in person. Out here, it's so fabulous. It's one of my favorite places. The birds just going all through the class. It's so fabulous. Go ahead. Come back to your nice Tadasana. Strong, active pose. And bending those knees slightly. Inhale, bring the arms up. And palms together. Exhale, hands to heart center. And inhale, reaching up, up, up. Exhale, palms coming back down to the body. Again, deep inhale. Focus on your body. Exhale, hands to heart center. Focus on your breathing. Inhale up. Exhale, hands coming down. Thank yourself for being here. Inhale, palms coming up. Thank yourself for doing your yoga. Exhale. Taking the time for yourself. Thank you for coming. Thank you for letting me lead you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Remember, shop local. Namaste. Keep the peace.